students of 9B. In the period of mathematics, chapter expansion is continued. We are solving exercise 3.2, question number 24L. The question is 3x plus 5y plus 2z into 3x minus 5y plus 2z. Solution. At the top, I write the formula that is used in this question. This question is based on a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. I have written the given question in this form. These two I have taken as a and this is as b. So this two is a and this is b. So from this expression we are getting a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. A is 3x plus 2z, so 3x plus 2z whole square, and b is 5y, so minus 5y whole square. Now in this expression you are saying these two are in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab minus simplification of this term, that is 25y square minus 25y square. I have simplified this 9x square, 4z square, 2 3 are 6, 2 are 12, zx minus 25y square. I have rearranged the terms 9x square minus 25y square plus 4z square plus 2zx. If you don't want to rearrange the terms, you write till here, till this step, that answer is also correct. Question number 24N, a little different type of question. 3a minus 7b plus 3 into 3a minus 7b plus 5. In the above question, what have you seen? That these two terms were same. So we were able to apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. But in this question we are saying these two terms are different, but these first two terms are same. 3a minus 7b, and in this also 3a minus 7b. Solution. I have considered 3a minus 7b bx. As per question, at this place I kept x plus 3 into, at this place again I kept x plus 5. Now we multiply x into x square plus x into 5, 5x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 5, 50. So the simplification of this equation became x square plus 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 15. Now at the place of x I have given the value 3a minus 7b. So here at the place of x I have written 3a minus 7b whole square plus 8 into 3a minus 7b plus 15. Now this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So I wrote a square plus b square minus 2ab, where at the place of a is 3a and at the place of b is 7b. And these two are multiplied, plus 8 3 are 24a plus minus 8 7 are 56b and plus 15. I simplified it. 9a square plus 49b square minus 42ab plus 24a minus 56b plus 15. Okay. Question number 25. Evaluate the following: 3.29 whole cube plus 6.71 whole cube. So we are seeing that this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. We use this formula: a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this a cube plus b cube equal to how much? I wrote here a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So this formula we will use here in this solution. We come to the solution. I have written 3.29 whole cube plus 6.71 whole cube. At the place of a we have 3.29 and at the place of b we have 6.71. So this is a cube plus b cube. For that I have written a plus b whole cube 3.29 plus 6.71 whole cube minus 3ab 3 into 3.29 into 6.71 into a plus b 3.29 plus 6.71. This addition is being 10. I wrote 10 whole cube minus 3 into 3.29 into 6.71 into this addition is being 10. Now we come to this step. 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 1000 minus 3 into 10 30, and this multiplication is being 22.07. Sorry, this multiplication is being 22.0759. So I multiplied this by 30 and I got 662.2770. I subtracted it from 1000 and I got 337.73. Question number 25D. The question is 7.16 into 7.16 plus 2.16 into 7.16 plus 2.16 into 2.16. If this is A, if 7.16 is A, then this became A square. And if 2.16 is B, then this became AB. And here became B square. So we are getting A square plus AB plus B square. We have one formula. These two steps are expressed for the formula for your better understanding. These two steps. We know A cube minus B cube equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. So A square plus AB plus B square, this one equal to how much? I wrote A cube minus B cube by A minus B. Here we have the expression as A square plus AB plus B square. So this became equal to A cube means 7.16 whole cube minus B cube 2.16 whole cube by A minus B means 7.16 minus 2.16. Again I wrote this A cube minus B cube on the basis of this formula. We know A minus B whole cube equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. So A cube minus B cube equal to how much? A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B. So I wrote this in this form: A minus B whole cube plus 3AB into A minus B, and this simplification became 5. Now come to this part. 7.16 minus 2.16 became 5 whole cube plus this multiplication is being, here I have done rough calculation, this 3 multiplications are being 46.3968 and this subtraction is being 5. So in this step 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, and these two multiplication became 231.9840 by 5. I have added these two and I got 356.9840 by 5. I divided this and I got 71.3968. In this exercise, I have left few questions for you as homework. You solve those questions, I will write in 10 marks for your homework, and in this way we completed exercise 3.2.